Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Medansh, and I am going to show my water gun. Then look, it has so many colors. I this color is yellow, this color is yellow, this color is blue, this color is orange, this color is green, and this color is red. Then I will show you parts. Then this is handle, and this is pump, and this is water pump, water tank, and this is grip handle, and this is lever. Then I will play with this water gun with होली. Then आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. बाय बाय.